What's up, YouTube? Shawn from the Getty Success Plan, and today I want to talk about some things that, again, are very near and dear to my heart. And we're talking about patience, perseverance, and self-doubt, because these are things that we need, and they're absolute killers in our business and in our lives. All right, guys, so let's cut the fluff and get straight to it. Something that I've been working on for literally years, I'm still working on it today, is self-doubt and self-speech. I cannot stress how important this is, guys. The way that you talk to yourself, the way that you perceive yourself is the way that the world will start to see you. And every day, the way you talk about things will actually start to manifest itself into the real world. For example, when I first started in real estate, I truly hated social media. I remember I had it logged on to Facebook for almost 3 years. I hated it. Every time I logged on, I saw a happy family or people being successful. And because I was so down and out and I was hating myself so much, I couldn't look at that and I couldn't see it. But as I kept saying, I hate social media, it actually pushed me away from really using it and using it as a powerful tool inside my business. Once I started to truly understand how powerful social media is, I stopped talking to myself that way. I always started saying, I love social media. I love the opportunity to be on here. I love the opportunity to put my business out front and center for free. It doesn't cost me any money whatsoever. And the more I started talking positively about it, the more success and the more results I started getting because I was putting good energy into it. And that truly, truly shows. If you guys truly hate social media, totally fine. If you hate prospecting, you hate door knocking, all fine. But if you keep telling yourself you hate it, you will never love it. If you want to truly start growing, being more successful, and doing the things that other people won't be doing, you can't tell yourself you hate it. You need to tell yourself you love it. You need to tell yourself you're good at it. This goes for everything about your body, about working out, about studying, mindset, every single thing that you want to improve on. You can't hate it. You need to love it. This also ties into perseverance and patience. You have to be patient with yourself. I remember, again, when I first started in real estate, I knew social media was gonna have a big impact in my business. I didn't realize it was gonna be my full business. I'm telling you guys, I could stop every single other prospecting activity I'm doing, and I'd still probably do around 60, maybe 70 ends a year, straight to my inbox, organically, without a single dollar spent. My goal isn't 60 or 70 ends a year, so we're pushing through on so many different avenues. But what I'm saying, again, from earlier, if I kept telling myself I'm hating it, and I didn't persevere, and I didn't give it time, and I didn't grow at it, this would never have happened. What I was doing a year ago versus what I'm doing today is completely different. And what I'm doing a year from now, I know will be different from today. Even this right here, I wasn't doing YouTube a year ago. You could search back and you won't find any videos that are a year old. I don't know where this one's gonna end up in the year, but I'm telling you right now, it was not on the radar a year ago. But through patience, perseverance, and persistence, all the other social media platforms have grown into this. And it's gonna grow into something else next year. Same thing goes for you guys. Whatever you're doing right now, understand that if you keep pushing, you stay perseverant, you don't let stuff get to you, you don't down talk yourself, you're gonna start growing, and you're gonna start growing in ways you never ever imagined, and your career is gonna flourish into something that you can't even understand or comprehend today, because what feels so far out of reach will actually be right at your fingertips so soon. Tying back into self-doubt, how we view ourselves is also so important. We all have things that we don't like about ourselves, our body, the way we talk, the way we look, the way we move, something. For example, I don't like my hairline whatsoever, but I'm confident enough and I'm comfortable with myself because I speak positively to still come on here on camera and not really worry about it. Again, one of my goals is actually to get a hair transplant. So once I start making all these YouTube videos and we start cashing in on it, you guys are gonna see a new hairline down the road. But anyways, jokes aside, this is something that truly did bother me. I didn't like going on camera because I didn't like my hairline. I didn't like my double chin. I thought people would make jokes or talk bad or any of that kind of stuff. But again, because I have enough positive speech, I don't have that self-doubt anymore. I'm able to come on here and just talk to you guys freely and openly like this. What I'm getting at, guys, is just be easy on yourself, be gentle with yourself. Wherever you are today, it is totally okay. It is just not okay to stay here. It's not okay to be here tomorrow and next week and next year. So perseverance is pushing through. Every time you don't want to do something, keep at it and be consistent and persistent with it. You will grow step by step over time. And eventually, again, you're going to flourish into something that you wouldn't even believe could happen inside a year. Just a quick recap again, guys. Self-speech and self-doubt are tied into each other. The better we talk about ourselves, the better we view ourselves, the less we're going to doubt ourselves. persistence and perseverance. Every time that you start going down that negative road, you start veering off the path of success, is when you have to pull yourself back, have that positive self-speech, and get back on track. All right, guys, so just a quick video for today. But again, if you like this content, if you want to keep these conversations going, ring the bell up top, subscribe here, comment and leave questions down below. I love connecting with you guys. I love interacting. I love getting the emails and all the questions, so definitely keep them coming. Anyways, hope everyone's having a good day, and until next time.